Let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum. All right, so here's what I've been looking at on this chart. We had resistance, resistance, resistance. We have support, support, support. In general, I was waiting for a breakout to the upside or the downside, and we got a breakout to the downside. After that, I was watching the previous bottoms down here. In general, these green horizontal lines are my limit orders that I've gotten filled, and these orange lines are the limit orders that I'm still have open. It looks like we got a bounce on this bottom right here. I'm kind of curious how far we're going to bounce to the upside. If we go to the 1 hour time frame and zoom in on this little uptrend we have right here, we have support, support, giving me this uptrend like this. If we break this uptrend going to the downside, I think that's going to be a bullish signal, and we can start looking at these lower levels or these other bottoms. The next bottom I'm looking at is around 2,168. The ones that I've gotten filled are 2,593 and 2,370. Right now, this one is doing decent, but I'm not sure how far this momentum is going to push us going to the upside. It does look like we're getting a little bit of resistance right now, and maybe we're going to come down and retest it. So what I'm thinking is, if we could keep this momentum going to the upside, maybe we can come up and touch this horizontal. Maybe we could come up and touch this resistance line right here. We had resistance, 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 and this trend line is sitting at around 2,700 approximately. Like I said, I'm not sure how far we're going to go up or if we're going to get rejected and start to head down. If we break this trend line going to the downside, that's the bullish signal in my opinion. And until then, I'm kind of just watching this trend line to see how far we could push us going to the upside. If we go ahead and delete everything, let's take a look at the moving averages. Right now, we are below the 9 moving average on the daily time frame, which is not a good signal. In general, what we want to do is break through this moving average going to the upside. Once we do that, then I think that will be our bullish signal, and we can start getting a little more confident on the price. Let's go into the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frame to see what those are doing. Kind of like Bitcoin, it's underneath the 4 hour right now, and if we go to the hourly time frame, we did break above the hour and we've gotten some candles getting support on it. Let's see how far we can ride this support going up. It does look like we're coming down to test this again. If we break this going down as well, I think this could be another little signal that we're starting to head down further. In general, for me, I'm just trying to find spots where I could lower my average and accumulate a little bit more. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to trading, check out this video right here. It's a trading strategies video. I go more into detail about how I go about looking at these charts and how I go about buying and selling. All right, if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.